Hello everyone, this is Sukesh Kulkarni and you're watching Cosmic Science. In that is, when two vectors are in opposite direction, what will be the denotation of scalar product? It will be like this. This is a vector, this is a vector, vector A and vector B. Vector A is in this direction, vector B is in this direction. What is the angle between them? 180 degree. 180 degree. So what will be the dot product of these two vectors? What will be the dot product of these two vectors? It will be equal to A B cos of 180 degree. What is cos of 180 degree? It is minus 1. Minus AB. When you multiply the vectors which are in opposite direction, you get a magnitude which is in negative sign. So this is one of the property of scalar multiplication. Let's see. Let's see another multiplication pattern. Dot product of vector A and vector B in terms of their magnitude means we are going to multiply their magnitude and taking a dot product of their vectors. Let us consider vector A. Vector A equal to ax into I, ay into j, az into k. Another vector, vector B, bx I, by, j, bz, k. These are the two vectors. We need to find dot product of these two vectors considering their components. Let us see. We multiply vector A and vector B. We take a dot product ax I plus ay j az k dot vector B is bx I plus by j bz k. This is a dot product of vector A and vector B. Now how will you simplify these terms? We multiply component of A, this one vector A, component of vector B. If you multiply, we get ax into by bx into I dot I plus. In the same way, we multiply this with this with this and this with this, and also in the same way we multiply this with this and this. We multiply this along with all these three and we get ax plus bx, ax plus by plus so give me a minute here. It's ax plus b ax plus bx plus ax plus by plus az. So we get a value here. This is not a correct value actually. So we get a value here. We'll substitute this value in a particular equation while finding out the angle between two vectors. So this is dot product of two vectors considering their components. So this answer may be wrong here. It will be I'll mention in the video here right answer. So this is about dot product of two vectors in terms of their components. Now we need to find angle between the two vectors. How do we find it? How do we denote scalar product? We denote scalar product or scalar multiplication as vector A dot vector B is equal to AB cos of theta. So in this, what we need to find angle between the two vectors, that is theta. So what I do, I take this magnitude on the left hand side, or I'll take vector A dot vector B on this side. It will be cos of theta A dot B divided by A, magnitude of A and magnitude of B. Previously, we have calculated A dot B as, so we take the magnitude of this A as ax square plus a ay square plus az square into vector b x square by square and plus b z square. So we have got cos of theta is equal to ax plus ay plus az. This value I'll confirm. Uh, suppose it is wrong here. I'll correct this equation in the previous step. So this is the magnitude of a and b. So what we do, we want theta. So we take cos here and it becomes inverse. So it is given as theta is equal to cos inverse of ax plus ay plus az divided by ax square ay square plus az square. Similarly, bx square by square plus bz square. So this gives the this theta gives the angle between two vectors. This is the equation to calculate the angle between the two vectors. So this was about finding the angle between two vectors. So So now I consider an object. I consider an object. I apply a force. I apply a force. It displaces through a distance d. When I apply force, of course the object is going to move. It will displace to around d distance d. So when a force is applied on an object and it moves in a direction of force with a distance d, it is called work. This is called work. When you apply a force on an object, it displaces force into displacement. It gives work. So, in case of work under constant force, suppose we are applying a constant force, what will be the equation or the formula to calculate the work? We are going to find that work is defined as the product of component of force in the direction of displacement and magnitude of this displacement. What it does it mean is the work done this work done is equal to component, in the sense magnitude of force in the direction of force applied and displacement in the direction of force applied. D is the displacement to the force applied, and the angle between the direction of force and distance is given by cos of theta. Here we consider the displacement is in the horizontal direction. It is horizontal. So this is the formula to calculate work done considering component of force and displacement in the direction of force applied, and theta is the angle between force and the displacement. So this was about work under a constant force. So moving forward, there are many other concepts which I need to clear out, and I'll be coming up with the other concepts of this chapter, work, energy, and power, with a clear explanation than this. So please do watch, uh, share, like, and subscribe. Hit a like button if you like my explanation, and if you have any doubts, maybe there are many doubts here, please comment down your doubts below. I'll be clearing those doubts in my coming video. So with this, we'll take your leave. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay calm. Jai Hind.